Are you looking for a healthy, plant based alternative to dairy paneer? Want to start a profitable business with tofu production? You're in the right place. Introducing tofu, the perfect plant based paneer. High in protein, low in fat. A superfood for a healthy life. Made from nutritious soybeans, the golden grain of nutrition. Tofu, also known as soya paneer, is made from processed soybeans. It originated in Eastern Asia and is now loved worldwide as a healthy protein source. 100% plant based and dairy free, rich in protein, calcium, and minerals. Ideal for vegans and health conscious people. Did you know? Many dairy products in the market are adulterated. Fake milk and paneer are a growing concern. But with tofu, you get purity and health in every bite. Soybeans are called the nutritional golden grain for a reason. They contain 40% protein, 20% more than other legumes, essential amino acids, and good fats for muscle growth and heart health. Medicinal properties helps in diabetes, weight loss, and bone strength. Did you know? Madhya Pradesh is India's largest soybean producing state. Which is better, dairy paneer or tofu? Let's compare. Protein. Tofu 18 grams versus paneer 16 grams. Calcium. Tofu 53% versus paneer 31%. Fat cholesterol. Tofu 2.7 grams 0 versus paneer 20.8 grams per 16 milligrams. Risk of diseases. Paneer high. Tofu no risk. Tofu is the clear winner. More nutrition, less fat, no adulteration. Think meat and dairy are always healthy. Think again. Side effects of meat consumption increases cholesterol and heart risks, contains antibiotics and harmful bacteria linked to cancer and diabetes. Switch to tofu, the best alternative for a healthy lifestyle. Want to start a profitable tofu business? We've got you covered. Tofu making machines, fully automated and easy to use, low investment, high profit, a growing market, full training and support provided. Tofu isn't just healthy, it's delicious too. Try these mouth-watering tofu recipes. Tofu curry tofu sandwich, tofu salad, tofu tikka tofu burger replace paneer with tofu and enjoy the same taste with more health benefits. Ready to switch to a healthier lifestyle? Want to start your own tofu business? Order now. Call now. Ready to switch to a healthier lifestyle? Want to start your own tofu business? Our team is here to help. Contact us today.